Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new IKEA haul video. First of all, thank you so much for the love and support you guys gave for the IKEA Bangalore haul video, and in case you have missed watching the video, please click the link on the iCard above if you're interested to watch the same. So I have been an avid shopper of IKEA from past couple of years, and I did my first shopping from IKEA in the year 2018 from Belgium, and there was no looking back since then. I became a huge fan of IKEA and I know most of you are also. That's how IKEA has manipulated that once you shop from there, you will go back more and more. And sometimes you end up buying stuffs unnecessary. Anyways, so this time instead of visiting the store, I bought couple of items online and this is how it was delivered. So as usual, Advik was super excited just like me and hops in to open the delivery box. Regarding the condition of the items packed for the delivery, I must admit that they have done a very good job unlike last time. I remember the first time I ordered from IKEA online, few items were broken during the transport. So this time they have made sure to pack items very secure. Delivery charge varies based on the weight, and I'll provide the screenshot of the delivery rates here on the screen so that it will be helpful in case you are planning to shop online from IKEA. So this is the first product, which is a laptop stand. Advik took initiative in doing the assembly part and it's pretty straightforward. The main reason for buying this is that it's easy to tilt the top and adjust the height of the laptop stand to enjoy a working position that is comfortable for us. There is a cup holder included to the underframe to always have coffee or tea. It has 3 height settings that work for us, and they can also double as dinner trays. It's also easy to fold, so it takes up less storage space. So if you're looking to buy a laptop stand for yourself, I highly recommend you to check this out. I have heard so many good reviews about this potato peeler, so ended up buying one for myself. I started using it and I must admit that it is one of the best peelers out there. It comes with an excellent quality and has a very good grip too. This is another peeler which is of just ₹79 and is great for the price. I actually bought this one for my kids to pack their snacks to school. Even though the quality is very good, the container is heavy for its size. So I'm not sure whether I'll be using it inside my kids' lunch bag. I usually buy green tea packets, but recently read somewhere that buying the green tea powder is better than the packets. So this tea infuser will come handy for me. This serving tong is of excellent quality, which is made of stainless steel, so it will keep its grip on food for a long time to come. This is the second time I'm buying this since Advik did some experiments with the other one and it broke. This is a simple, elegant baking dish and is having a good size for a small family. We can use this in the oven or serving plate with timeless design for both cooking and serving food. Its low weight will make it easy to carry, which means less washing up too. This glass container with lid comes in such a reasonable price and I couldn't resist myself in purchasing 2 of these. We can use it to store leftover food inside fridge and use the same container to reheat food in microwave. This stainless steel pot has a spout to make pouring and draining liquids easier and a heat-resistant glass lid with a built-in strainer. It is perfect for when we are boiling pasta or making soup. The actual price of this product is rupees 2690 and I bought it for rupees 1590 when there was an offer going on. So considering the price I paid, I feel it's worth it. This one is a perfect all-in-one tin. We can put potatoes and vegetables in the bottom, lower the grill rack and put the chicken or steak on top and put it in the oven or on the barbecue. It's dishwasher safe as well as oven safe. This practical multi-use box helps us in keeping track of smaller things and easily find what we need. We can keep the box in a cabinet, on a worktop or wherever we want it at home. I purchased this mainly for keeping items organized in the fridge, and I'll show you guys how I'm using it in the fridge organization video, which will be up in my channel very soon. This hanger comes as a set of 10 and is perfect for trousers, shirts and skirts. It takes up less space than wooden hangers.
I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters someday.
I got 2 of these to water my plants and I'll be keeping one in ground floor and the other one in first floor.
Liking for you is all I need.
These boxes are sturdy and useful for storing items like stationery, toys or groceries. Also, they are stackable as well. This small tool is so helpful and a must-have. With this small brush, we can quickly and easily scrub away both small and large marks on your clothes. This microfiber cleaning pad will be super helpful in our cleaning task. Especially with the holdable part, we get a good grip while doing the cleaning work.
To catch you if you fall.
This scrubbing pad comes as a set of 3 and is reasonable. These clips are super helpful in kitchen for sealing open packets.
Until my heart gives in.
These 2 brushes will make our cleaning task easier. The oval brush helps us to clean large surfaces and we can easily reach tight spaces with the long brush. This lightweight floor wiper comes with an aluminium handle and a gentle head which will make everyday cleaning task easier. This is sturdy with great design and the flexible head will allow in cleaning the corners too. I think the quality seems to be better built compared to Scotch-Brite and other brands. I bought 3 of them to keep in 3 bathrooms. This is a single bedsheet and I bought 2 of them for one purpose, to use as a sofa cover. I'm planning to do a living room makeover and I'll show more details about this in that video. It comes with a good size and interesting design. This was extremely easy to assemble as well. I find the design very simple and practical to use as an amazing side table along with a tray.
Stay in this moment forever so I can hold you in my arms.
This is so light and easy to move around with removable tray top and is handy for serving snacks. Okay, so that's all for today's video and I really hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and as always don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also pour in your valuable feedback or suggestions in the comment section below. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye!
I will do